think morning comes too soon. But the sooner I get up, the sooner I can see some special friends of mine. I bet you know them too. Now they're a bunch that really know how to wake up with some pep in their step.
Get up, you sleepyhead, oh yeah. Jump up, get out of bed, oh yeah. Stretch up and touch the sky, oh yeah. It's time for you to fly, oh yeah. Don't be a grumpy puss, oh no. Don't waste a perfect day. Stand up and shake those cobwebs loose, and this is what you say. Oh, wake up and say good morning. It's such a lovely day. Get up and stop your yawning. Let's all go out and play. It's such a good beginning. Everything's okay. Wake up and say good morning. Jump up and shout hooray. Oh, get up, you sleepyhead, oh yeah. Jump up, get out of bed, oh yeah. Stretch up and touch the sky, oh yeah. It's time for you to fly, oh yeah. Don't be a grumpy puss, oh no. Don't waste a perfect day. Stand up and shake those cobwebs loose, and this is what you say. Oh, wake up and say good morning. It's such a lovely day. Get up and stop your yawning. Let's all go out and play. It's such a good beginning. Everything's okay. Wake up and say good morning. Jump up and shout hooray.
There's nothing better than singing dragons to really get your energy going. I could always count on Ord, Caddacy, Zach, Wheezy, Max, and Emmy to really get my day started with some fun.
Good morning, Nina.
Good morning, Jody. How you doing?
Great. How are you?
Good. Come on. There's going to be a lot of cool surprises around here today. You don't want to miss out. Hi, guys.
Hi, Nina.
Hi. That's Sam and his sister, Jennifer. They just moved to the neighborhood.
Mom, Nina's here.
Okay, kids. Have fun. See you later.
I babysit them on days like today when their mom has to go out. So, what's going on?
Not much. We're kind of bored. Yeah, there's nothing to do. Except sit around and stare at the traffic. That's about as fun as it sounds.
Yeah. You guys watch Dragon Tales, right?
Sure, everybody does.
Well, you know what the gang in Dragonland would say if they heard you guys complaining about being bored? They would tell you to get on up and doodly-doo.
Doodly 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 doo. The sun is coming out, the skies are clear. Get up from your chair and give yourself a cheer. Instead of just sitting round and feeling blue, get up on your feet and doodly doodly doo 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 doodly doodly doo. Hop like a bunny hops, rock like a rocking chair, spin like a spinning top, dance like a dancing bear. Hop like a bunny hops, rock like a rocking chair, spin like a spinning top, dance like a dancing bear. The sun is coming out, the skies are clear. Get up from your chair and give yourself a cheer. Let's go, instead of just sitting round and feeling blue. Get up on your feet and doodly doodly doo 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 doodly 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 doo 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 doodly 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 doo.
Spin like a spinning top. Dance like a dancing bear.
What are you doodly doing?
I guess I tripped like a tripping bear.
So, what do you think?
That was way better than staring at traffic. Yeah, what do you want to do now? Hey, guys.
How about we find something to do with those kids?
But we don't even know them.
Well, I know them. I'm their babysitter too, and I can tell you they're all pretty cool.
Maybe we should just doodly-doo again.
Are you shy about meeting them? I know a certain dragon that would feel the same way.
Cassie, so sweet. C-A-S-S-I-E. She's pretty and pink, and when she says what she thinks, she always gets it right. She's got a bigger family than me and you. Her brothers and sisters total 72. She's the dragon who is oh so shy, but a better friend you could not find. And you know she'll take care of you, 'cause she always knows what to do. La 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 la. And you know she'll take care of you, 'cause she always knows what to do. She's the dragon who is oh so shy, but a better friend you could not find. And you know she'll take care of you, 'cause she always knows what to do. She's the dragon who is oh so shy, but a better friend you could not find.
Cassie is really shy.
But if she were here right now, I bet you she'd work up her courage and go over there.
What would she say?
That's the easy part.
Get up on your feet and to everyone you meet, say hello, 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 hello. When you meet somebody new, the first thing you should do is say hello, 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 hello. Say it high,
Hello.
say it low,
Hello.
say it fast,
Hello.
say it slow.
Hello.
Get up on your feet and to everyone you meet, say hello, 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 hello. 'Cause when you want to make a new friend, give a great big smile and say hi, hello, my name is Zach.
Easy.
And
Cassie.
before you know it, you'll have a brand new pal.
True blue till the end. A brand new friend. Say it again.
Say it high,
Hello.
say it low,
Hello.
say it fast, say it slow.
Whoa.
Get up on your feet and to everyone you meet, say hello, 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 hello. Say it high, say it low,
Hello.
say it fast, say it slow. Get up on your feet and to everyone you meet, say hello, 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 hello.
Hello.
Hey, can we play too?
Okay. Yeah, sure. Hello, I'm Jen. My name's Tiffany.
I'm Marcus.
Hi, I'm Blake, and that's Brittany. Hi, I'm Brittany.
Hey, everybody.
Hi,
How
Nina.
you doing? Good. This is Jen and Sam, and they're new around here, so maybe you can show them some of the stuff you like to do?
Yeah. Let's play a fun game. Let's all play hide and seek or hopscotch. Or we can play kickball. How about freeze tag? Gotcha.
How about a bike race?
Nah, you always win.
Well, that's what makes it so fun.
I know. Let's play Be a Dragon.
Cool.
Oh, sure. Shake the dragon tail.
Good one.
If you live in our neighborhood, you've got to be into Dragon Games.
Let's all play a game. Be a dragon, that's the name. This is the way to be a dragon. This is the way to play. First you shake your tail, play a song on your dragon scales. This is the way to be a dragon. This is the way to play.
Cassie,
Act smart.
give your heart.
Be sweet.
Dance on your picnic.
Bored. Be merry. Reach for the dragonberries. Be strong.
Sing along now. Whoa, whoa, let's go flying off the dragon land. Whoa, whoa, let's go. Come and take my hand. Come on now, let's all play a game. Be a dragon, that's the name. This is the way to be a dragon. This is the way to play Fat and Wheezy. Beat on your tum-tum, just like a bass drum.
Soft and slow.
Rock and roll. Shake your tail, play some scale.
Act sweet.
Let's see. This is the way to be a dragon. This is the way to play.
Come on, everybody, get up and shake.
Shake your dragon tail. Shake your dragon tail. Move your feet and shake your seat and let your spirit sail. Cause if you're looking to have a good time, you know it never fails. You gotta stand up tall and don't think small and shake your dragon tail. Come on and shake. Shake it. Shake it up. Shake. Shake it. Just can't get enough. Come on and shake your dragon tail. Shake your dragon tail. Just feel those ants in your pants and move on down the trail. Cause if you're looking to have a good time, you know it never fails. Just stand right up and strut your stuff and shake your dragon tail. Come on now, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it high, shake it low. Come on and shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it everywhere you go. Cause if you're looking to have a good time, you know it never fails. You gotta stand up tall and don't think small and shake your dragon tail. Come on now, shake your dragon tail. Shake your dragon tail. Just shake those ants out of your pants and shake your dragon tail. Shake!
Wasn't that great?
Yeah. Games with music are my favorite.
Yeah, I want to be in a band someday so I can make music.
Yeah, me too.
Why wait till someday? How about right now?
Yeah. Sure.
We can sing and play songs.
And a tambourine and a drum.
And a harmonica.
I think it's going to be a great band.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Aren't you forgetting something? We don't know the first thing about making music.
Well, I happen to think that you do know the first thing about making music. Can you clap your hands like this? And stomp your feet? Come on. Now that's music.
Cool.
Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Now stomp your feet, stomp your feet. To the beat, to the beat. And repeat after me. And let's learn this melody.
Sing!
La 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 la. Sing. La 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 la. Sing. La 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 la. Give yourself a hand. You're a one-kid band. Clap your hands. Oh, clap your hands. And stomp your feet to the beat, to the beat. And repeat after me as we sing this melody. La 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 la. Come on. La 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 la. Sing. La 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 la. Give yourself a hand. You're a one-kid band. Give yourself a hand. You're a one-kid band.
Since the kids in my neighborhood are going to start a band, I thought it'd be a good time for one of those surprises I told you about. His name is Dan Zanes, and he's a real professional singer and musician.
All around the kitchen, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo. 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 Will you stop right there, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo. Put your arms in the air, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo.
cock-a-doodle-doo. Put your hands in your hair, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo. Spin your head in a circle. All around the kitchen, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo. 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 Will you stop right there, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo? Make your arms into trees, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo. Wave them in the breeze, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo. Now you wobble your knees, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo. All around the kitchen, 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 cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo. Will you stop? Whew.
That was
It's good to see everybody. I'm glad to hear that you're interested in playing music, especially in playing music together. You know, I think I was about your age when I started playing guitar, and the reason that I was interested was because I looked around and it seemed as though the people that were playing music with each other were the people that were having the most fun, and that's really what I wanted. And I was thinking maybe a good way of showing just how easy it is to get started would be if, Tiffany, maybe we could play a duet.
Yeah, sure, that's great.
You want to play the 5-string banjo? Mm-hmm. All right, there we go. And it doesn't really take much to get started. A little practice to keep going, but just to get started and make an interesting sound is quite easy. Why don't you do this? Why don't you strum twice and then tap the banjo head twice? So strum, strum, tap, tap.
That's easy.
Something just that simple. All right, here we go.
Do you think I'll be able to play your whole song someday?
Yeah, I bet you can. I bet you could do anything musical if you try.
Oh, I bet you can hop on one foot without putting your foot down. Bet you can, but don't touch the ground. Now add a little hop, hop, spin yourself around. Bet you can, but don't fall down. Bet you can, bet you can. Bet you can reach up and touch the sky. Bet you can, bet you can. I bet you can do anything you try. I bet you can touch your toes without bending your knees. I bet you can, with ease. I bet you can tickle your nose without making yourself sneeze. Choo! Bet you can, bet you can. Bet you can reach up and touch the sky. Bet you can, bet you can. Bet you can do anything you try. Now take a giant step forward and take a giant step back. Now spin around in a circle, just like that. Bet you can, bet you can. Bet you can reach up and touch the sky. Bet you can, bet you can. Bet you can do anything you try. Bet you can.
Try just a little bit. Try a little bit harder. Go a little farther, and you'll do okay. Hey, hey. Try just a little bit. Jump a little higher. All you need is desire. You can rule the day. Oh yeah. You can touch your toes. You can touch the sky. You can bend down low. You can reach up high. You can spread your wings and start to fly. You know that you can do it. There's really nothing to it when you try. And though you may be small each day, you're growing up. And you'll be big and tall. Till then, just strut your stuff. Come on, try just a little harder. Go a little farther, and you'll do okay. Hey, 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 come on, try anything that you wanna do.
Okay, are you ready? I got another surprise for you, and it's right here, right now. His name is Harry, and he's an amazing musician. I've seen him playing here before, so I made sure we accidentally ran into him on purpose.
Wow, that's sweet.
You want to give it a try?
Cool. I gotta get one of these. These are really big fun.
But isn't it also too big to fit in your room?
Well, we don't need to start with the whole drum set.
In fact, we don't even need a drum to play drums. Come on, let's go.
Let's all wiggle and giggle and beat that drum.
Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, wiggle your hands and wiggle your nose. Wiggle your pinkies, wiggle your thumbs, wiggle and giggle and beat that drum. Come on and let's get busy. Wiggling is so much fun. Come on and let's get busy. Lots of fun now, everyone. Na 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 na. Wiggle up. Na 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 na. Wiggle down. Na 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 na. Wiggle all around. Na na na. The wiggle song. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Wiggle your hands now. Wiggle your nose. Wiggle your pinkies. Wiggle your thumbs. Wiggle and giggle and beat that drum. Come on and let's get busy. Wiggling is so much fun. Come on and let's get busy. Lots of fun now, everyone. Na 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 na. Wiggle up. Na 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 na. Wiggle up. Na 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 na. Wiggle all around. Na na na. The wiggle song. Na 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 na. Wiggle up. Na 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 na. Wiggle down. Na 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 na. Wiggle all around. That's a wiggle song.
This bunch has some really great drummers in it. I hope we can get together and play soon. See you guys.
Excuse me, I have a delivery for Nina and the band.
I'm Nina, and we're the band.
Says here you have a gift from Zach and Wheezy.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Open it. Wow! Awesome. I'm gonna try them all. They're so many. It's unbelievable. I think there's one more.
Hi, Sean.
Oh, hey everybody. Hi, Nina.
Hey.
We heard your music. It was awesome. Maybe we can dance while you play.
You heard the man. Let's dance.
Yeah, every boy and every girl loves to spin, loves to twirl. Round and round and round we go. Just take it easy, make it last. Take it slow or make it fast. Everyone can do it, don't you know? Come on and dance, 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 dance. All you need's a little room. Come on and dance, 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 dance. By yourself or by the light of the moon. It doesn't matter who you are, just hold on and grab a star that's burning brightly in the sky. Get up on your feet and go. There's nothing that you need to know, except don't let the moment pass you by. Just feel the rhythm in your heart and soul. Hold on tight, but lose control. Dance, 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 dance. All you need's a little room. Come on and dance, 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 dance. By yourself or by the light of the moon.
He's the truest, bluest friend you've ever had. Old hop aboard the back of board, you know it won't be bad. He'll do the loop-de-loop right through the air with a great big laugh and a oh yeah. Do the oh shuffle, round and round we go. Do the oh shuffle, round and round we go. He'll give you great big hugs, but don't mention bugs. Do the oh shuffle. He's the coolest, sweetest dragon in the land. And if you ever need a friend, my friend, you know he's there to lend a hand. That's right. He'll do a loop-de-loop right through the air with a great big laugh and a oh yeah. Do the oh shuffle, round and round we go. Do the oh shuffle, get into the flow. He really loves to eat, but he's light on his feet. Do the oh shuffle, shuffle to the left, shuffle to the right, glide across the floor, kinda nice and light. He really loves to eat, but he's light on his feet. O-R-D, orange shuffle. Yeah, that's hard.
Music sure has a way of making your feet move.
All this music makes me feel like singing.
So go ahead, our voices could be beautiful instruments too.
Not when my dad sings in the shower.
I'd like to sing, but I have trouble remembering all the words to the song.
Wow, you're Erykah Badu. You're fantastic.
Why, thank you.
Oh, everybody, this is Erykah Badu. She's a singer and an actress and one of my all-time favorites.
Hi. Hello. Hey, and this is my son, Seven.
Hi.
Hi, Seven. And we were just taking a walk when we heard you say that you wanted to sing, but you couldn't remember the words. Well, why don't you just sing a silly song?
What's that?
Instead of saying words, you say sounds that make you feel good and smile. Like this. Boop, bam, boom, bam, boom, boom, bang. Zit-a-dee-da-dang, zit-a-dee-dee-ding. Try it.
Shoo-ba-doo-ba-dee-dee-dee, shoo-ba-doo-ba-dee-dee-dee-dee.
Very good. Everyone try it. Come on. Try it. Yeah. That's great. That is so great. See, music that comes from the heart can always make you smile. Because feeling the music is just as important as the words. As a matter of fact, some of me and Seven's favorite friends are some of the best silly song singers around.
How silly can you be? Try following me. Oop-a-baloo. Oop-a-baloo. Singing a silly song. Hee-haw, hee-haw. Boogity, boogity, wah! Boogity, boogity, wah! Boom, 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 boom. Singing a silly song.
They sound silly, but it sure is fun. Just like honey rolling around your tongue. Keeps you laughing and forever young. Singing a silly song. Singing a silly.
Limmy-limmy-limmy-moo-ma.
Limmy-limmy-moo-ma.
Wobba-da-wobba-da-bee-ba.
Wobba-da-wobba-da-bee-ba. Woo-woo-woo-woo. Silly.
Singing a silly.
You know, I can think of another great way we can use our voices as instruments without any words at all.
Not even silly words?
Nope, not even silly words. Who knows what I'm talking about? That's right.
Huh?
No, not huh. Hum.
The moon comes out as the sun goes down, and your room gets dark. You start hearing sounds. You may start to worry as your heart beats like a drum. So you should hum, 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 hum. Come on, let me hear you hum. Oh, you can hum, hum, just hum, hum. Come on, let me hear you hum. When you try something different you never tried before, well, it may be scary and you may not be sure, but I know you can do it, and to help you get through it, oh, you can hum, hum, yeah, hum, hum. Come on, let me hear you hum, yeah, you can hum, hum, oh, hum, hum. Now come on, let me hear you hum, oh, you can hum, hum, you can hum, hum. Now come on, let me hear you hum, oh, you should hum, hum. Now you hum, hum. Come on, let me hear you hum, oh, you can hum, let me hear you hum.
Well, you guys, it's been great, but we better be going. Come on.
Thanks so much, Erica. Bye. Thanks. Next time. Hey, guys. Would you go grab the other instruments and then meet us back over here, okay?
Sure.
Thanks. Okay, great. Guys, come on. Sean, you and your friends can be in our band, too. Let's go.
Cool. Come on.
Music sure has a way of bringing people together, don't you think? To sing or dance or play instruments, or even just hang out and listen to CDs.
Oh, Nina, look how many new friends we made. I had such a great day.
Oh, me too.
Brittany, come on! Max, Emmy, I can't believe you're here. Thanks, Zach. Waving hi.
Oh, look at the horn.
Cassie, it's really you. Hi. Now we can make some really great music. You said it.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
A friend can be someone to play with, someone you see who makes you smile. Playing catch and skipping a jump rope, that's what you do when friends are around. A friend can be someone to talk to. A friend is special without a doubt. He can hold hands or sing a silly song all day long. Sing a song, sing along, sing a song. Friends, you know everybody's got a friend. When you're with them, the fun never ends. When you need them, they come around. That's why you call them your friends. Now you see, a friend
friends, your sister or your brother, and soon you'll discover everybody can be your friend. Friends, you know everybody's got a friend. When you're with them, the fun never ends. When you need them, they come around. That's why you call them your friend.
Well, I think this has turned out to be a great day for everybody. Thanks for hanging out with us, and remember, music makes the world go round.
Get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up, get up, get up. All up on your feet, jump to your right. Wiggle and a giggle and a hug yourself tight. Stomp on the ground with all of your might. And the world goes round and round and round. And the world goes round and round. All up on your feet, jump to your right. Wiggle and a giggle and a hug yourself tight. Stomp on the ground with all of your might. And the world goes round and round and round. And the world goes round and round. All up on your feet, jump to your right. Wiggle and a giggle and a hug yourself tight. Stomp on the ground with all of your might. And the world goes round and round and round. And the world goes round and round. So if you're looking, open up your eyes and see. Stop your looking, 'cause you got a friend in me. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Oh, up on your feet, jump to your right. Wiggle and a giggle and a hug yourself tight. Stomp on the ground with all of your might. And the world goes round and round and round. And the world goes round and round. Oh, up on your feet, jump to your right. Wiggle and a giggle and a hug yourself tight. Stomp on the ground with all of your might. And the world goes round and round and round. And the world goes round and round.